The topic before us is the components of fiat money, banknotes, and oblique or coins. Whenever we go to the market to purchase something, we pick from our pocket some physical currency notes and or some coins. Now the question before us is whether banknotes and coins or banknotes or coins are the components of fiat money. We often associate fiat money with paper currency. Paper currency means notes, physical currency notes. But fiat money includes both paper currency, that is banknotes, and coins. It means that though we commonly use fiat money with reference to paper currency, that is banknotes, but fiat money includes both banknotes as well as metallic coins which may be used in our country. The term fiat money refers to any currency that is issued by a government and declared to be legal tender for transactions within its jurisdiction. What is fiat money? It is the currency, that is, it is the physical banknotes and coins which are issued by the government or the central bank of the country and which have been declared to be legal tender. Legal tender means that the government has ordered that these physical coins, that these metallic coins or these physical currency notes must be accepted for all the transactions. That is, if we are to purchase something, certain goods from someone, or we want to purchase to avail the services of some person, then we can use that metallic coins or the physical currency notes which have been issued by the government as a medium of exchange within the jurisdiction of that country. Fiat money can take the form of physical banknotes and coins, but it must also be remembered that fiat money also includes digital or electronic forms in modern banking systems. Paper currency. Paper currency is normally issued by the central bank of the country, and paper currency is the common representation of fiat money. Metallic coins, which are generally minted by a government treasury or mint, also fall under the category of fiat money. That is, the coins which are issued by the government also fall within the category of fiat money. In addition to these physical currency notes and coins, fiat money also exists in digital form in the banking system, where majority of the transactions are conducted electronically. When in these days we are making use of electronic banking, our money exists in the form of digital form in the banking system. So whether it is the coins which are lying in our pocket or the banknotes which are lying in our pocket or our wallet, or the digital entries which are lying in your bank account, if it is issued by a government and accepted as a legal tender, it is considered a fiat money. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.